striking a sweet spot between comfort and support. Down below, you've got a high abrasion rubber outsole, also known as Hart, built for extra grip and durability, so slippery winter streets won't slow you down. And then there's the lacing system.
That was sick, right? Yeah, I know the shoe was sick, but I am talking about the video because it was entirely made with AI and it took me only a few minutes to create. But how, what, and why? Well, while I was on the hunt for some new shoes, I came across channels like this one right here. This is a YouTube channel that creates videos talking about new shoe releases and details and information about new shoes. I really think this is a niche where you can hop right in, and there is not that much competition. So that is why in this video I am giving you this new niche on a silver platter. And additionally, I will show you how you can create a shoe review video with AI. So let's get right into it. So first, I copied this video link from this details and review video of these Nike Air Max 90. Then we go to an AI chatbot. First, I tried Google's AI Studio with Gemini in it. Now type, "Hello, I want you to give me a YouTube script for video like this one." Now add the video link here. Now search on the Nike website which shoe you want to do a review of and add the link here. I will do it for the Nike Vomero Rome. And then additionally type, "Please add more details and info for the shoe on this internet to get more from different sources." This is so important, that last sentence, because this will add more value to your video, because the AI will now get additional information and reviews of the shoe from multiple different sources. Okay, this is not what we are looking for. It only gave us text for the text overlay but not an actual script. But luckily, there is ChatGPT 5 now, so let's use the same prompt and test it out if it works over there. Okay, almost good. Let's say, "No, you have to do it in English and you have to give me the script that I need to say out loud." I will use the script and put it in an AI text-to-speech generator. Okay, nice. Now we say so amazing. Now give me the same text but without the things like outro. Perfect. Now copy the script and go to an AI text-to-speech generator like 11 Labs. First we will look for a voice. Now add the voice and add and generate the script.
Winter's here, the streets are wet, and the wind is biting.
Sounds great. Download it and add it to CapCut. Now since ChatGPT has given us scenes, we will add a text overlay with all the scenes. Now we need footage of the shoe. Simply use Google or simply use the Nike website itself and download all the images there. Convert the images, if needed, to PNG or JPEG. Now add them to CapCut and make the duration as long as you want. Next up, we are going to add animations to the images to make the video more interesting. For the start, I will add a cool effect and a title of the shoe. Now add some captions if you like, and choose a nice template. I will also add an imaginary logo of our channel in the right corner. Now get yourself soft background music from the YouTube audio library and add it to your video. When you are done, export it in 4K. And that's it. Now it's up to you to create amazing new shoe review videos and go viral. Take this opportunity to hop on this rising niche. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe. Here is the end result. Bye.
Winter's here, the streets are wet, and the wind is biting, but your sneakers don't have to suffer. Meet the Nike Zoom Vomero Roam. Winterized, a shoe that blends retro running vibes, all-day comfort, and serious protection from the elements. Let's break it down. At first glance, the Vomero Roam Winterized looks like it just stepped out of a late 2000s running catalog, but with a modern, urban twist. Inspired by the original Nike Zoom Vomero 5, it keeps that distinctive heel cage, layered panel design, and sculpted midsole. The upper mixes durable textiles, suede overlays, and synthetic leather panels. But here's the key. The entire shoe is treated with a water-repellent finish, plus a rubberized mudguard that wraps around the toe and sides. This means puddles, splashes, and slushy sidewalks are way less of a problem. Underfoot, the Vomero Roam packs full-length Nike Zoom Air cushioning. That's pressurized air with tightly stretched fibers inside, designed to give you that responsive, springy feel, mile after mile. The midsole foam feels plush, but not sluggish. striking a sweet spot between comfort and support. Down below, you've got a high abrasion rubber outsole, also known as Heart, built for extra grip and durability, so slippery winter streets won't slow you down. And then there's the lacing system. Instead of standard laces, you get quick pull bungee cords with a toggle lock, plus a clip-style hook for extra security. Easy to adjust even with gloves on. Oh, and reflective hits on the upper mean you're more visible during those dark, early evenings. Reviews from wearers have been almost glowing. People are calling it one of the most comfortable winter sneakers they've tried. The interior is padded, the footbed is soft, and the combination of Zoom Air and cushion foam makes it feel like you're walking on a plush pillow without losing responsiveness. It's a shoe that can handle a full day in the city, from commuting through drizzle to grabbing coffee and heading straight to an evening hangout. The Vomero line started back in 2006 as a dedicated running shoe, evolving through multiple generations. The Vomero 5, released in 2010, became a cult favorite for its combination of performance and style. Fast forward to now, Nike has reimagined that silhouette into the Vomero Roam, and this winterized version takes the concept even further, making it a lifestyle sneaker that's actually ready for cold, wet conditions. The Nike Zoom Vomero Roam. Winterized retails for around €165 in Europe, with prices varying slightly by region. It dropped globally in late 2024 and is available through Nike's online store and select retailers. Given the tech, build quality, and versatility, it's positioned as a premium lifestyle sneaker that doubles as your winter go-to. So, is the Vomero Roam Winterized worth it? If you want a sneaker that keeps the throwback running style alive while actually standing up to wet, cold days, this one's a strong contender. What do you think? Would you wear these through the winter or stick to boots? Let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one.